Hi everyone, it's Monica, and welcome back to Tailor-Made Cards for You. Well, today I'm going to be participating in a video hop for European paper crafts, and this video hop is going to go from today through July the 12th. This video hop fit in perfectly for my Christmas in July series, and I'm excited to be sharing with you some products from European paper crafts. Now for the video hop, and we were able to get a packet of Christmas items to share with you. And I was also giving another packet, which I'm showing you here, to use as a giveaway. So I will be able to offer up 2 giveaways for this video hop, and I'll explain exactly what you need to do at the end of the video to qualify for the drawing. Now, one of the things that I love about European paper crafts is the ease in putting together beautiful layered cards. They have several products in their shop to help you put together layered cards without a lot of fuss. Now, if you are one of those people that love to create your handmade greeting cards over the holidays, but struggle with a design layout, this is the kit for you. This pad here has enough paper and embellishments to create 6 Christmas cards. Now, the pack says 6 Christmas cards, but when I was actually going through this, I think I ended up creating 8, and I still had some leftover items. So you can really make this kit go a lot farther than just the 6 cards. So what I wanted to show you is how easy it is to put together these layered cards, so you'll have no excuse over the holidays for not creating your personal handmade greeting cards. All right, so when you get started, like I said, you're going to get this little pad that looks like a paper stack, but when you open it up, it has all these little embellishments that you're going to want to punch out. Now, one of the ephemera pieces is the actual layout that you can use, but by no means are you required to actually follow their layout. It's just a recommendation. But for this video, I went ahead and I just used the layout because sometimes, like I said, we just don't have ideas. And you can easily get this kit, and it gives you the ideas of how to do the layout to create beautiful cards. Another thing that I really love about this kit is you can put together several cards pretty easily in a short amount of time. So if you're one of those crafters that have so much going on during the holidays, or you're just a procrastinator, this little card set is perfect because you can easily sit down on one evening and put together several cards. Like I said, I put together I think 7 from this kit, and I still had product left over to create more cards. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video while I create several more of these cards, and then I'll be back at the end of the video to talk to you a little bit about what you need to do to win one of the kits that I showed you in the beginning of the video. Now, I don't know if you picked up on this, but the image that I used for the tag was actually the layout image. So when you are creating your cards, make sure that you don't get rid of that little image that shows you how to put the layout together, because you can certainly use those for your cards as well. And that's what's going to make your kit go a lot farther. And I just love those little reindeers. I thought they were a great final embellishment. Okay, so in order to qualify for the drawing of those 2 kits that I showed you in the beginning of the video, you're going to want to subscribe to all 3 channels that are in this video hop if you're not subscribed already. And then you're going to also want to leave a comment, because that's what we're going to use for our drawing. And then I will go ahead and draw 2 winners and post it on July the 13th. Now, as an extra bonus, we are offering a discount over at European Papercrafts. So we're going to offer you a 20% discount on all Christmas items over at the shop. And this coupon will be good through July the 21st. I'll make sure that I leave the code below. So you're going to want to go ahead and grab that and hop over to the store to check out some of these great items for your Christmas cards. And don't forget, if you've enjoyed my video, be sure to leave me a thumbs up, and I will leave a list of all the products that I used for these cards below. All right, everybody, thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you again next time.